Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. Here's the rear wheel drive. Go ahead and close this, take you for a tour. Does have that panoramic glass sunroof. And that aerodynamic wheels. I do like the chrome package that this one has. I'll take you for a tour of the interior. It's absolutely gorgeous. That white Tesla vegan leather. You also have two USB charging ports there in the back. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Okay. All right. So you have your infotainment controls. Come down here and you've got your phone charger and other ports. Come over here, you got your cup holder and your glove compartment. Up here you've got your infotainment center. And we'll just go ahead and take you to the backup camera. Here's your energy usage map. Your charging, showing that you have 88 miles left on this particular charge. There's your entertainment with your theater and arcade. Then of course you've got your toy box with all that kind of fun stuff. Get your cozy on with this. So, a whole lot of fun with this vehicle. Here is your radio with XM and Bluetooth. Come on over here, you got your quick controls, your lights. Oh, and your quick controls, you can also fold your mirrors in. And it's handy to know there. Thought I'd point that out. And then your locks, your display. If you want to make somebody a key card, that's where you would do it. You got your driving. Right now it's just uncomfortable. Autopilot. This does have the beta version of Auto Steer and the beta version of Navigate on Autopilot. And it also has the beta version of Summon, which is awesome. Okay, and then you have your forward collision warning. I like mine on early. Lane departure avoidance and blind spot collision, all that kind of fun stuff. That's where you would find it. You got your navigation, safety and security, service, and a very important screen is your software. It shows that it's a Model 3 mid-range, 17,236 miles on this particular vehicle. Has enhanced autopilot included and premium connectivity also included. There's your VIN. It also shows you have the premium audio system, the autopilot computer, a 2.5, and the garage door opener is also in there. Okay, so this particular vehicle does have a branded title. It did have an impact here in the front. As you can see, we were able to get it all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection. It has passed the state of Utah safety inspection. We are the largest Tesla reseller here in the area, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.